Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable bedtime mode on your Google Pixel 8. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. This is where all your device configurations and features are managed, including the digital well-being tools that help you maintain a healthy relationship with your phone. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down through the options until you find digital well-being. Go ahead and tap on it to open this section. Digital well-being is Google's suite of features designed to help you track and manage your screen time, set app limits, and create healthier phone usage habits. Inside the digital well-being menu, you'll see several options available. Look for bedtime mode and tap on it to access this feature. Bedtime mode is specifically designed to help you wind down at night by minimizing distractions and creating a calmer phone experience when you're trying to sleep. Now, to actually enable bedtime mode on your device, simply tap the Turn On Now button. This will immediately activate the feature, and you'll notice your phone's display changes to help reduce eye strain and limit interruptions. Bedtime mode typically dims your screen, applies grayscale to make your display less stimulating, and can silence notifications during your designated sleep hours. With bedtime mode now active, your Google Pixel 8 is optimized to support better sleep habits. This feature is particularly useful if you find yourself scrolling through your phone late at night when you should be resting. If you need to disable bedtime mode at any point, perhaps because you need full access to your phone's features or the morning has arrived, the process is just as simple. Just tap the Turn Off for Now button and bedtime mode will be deactivated immediately. Your phone will return to its normal display settings and all regular notifications will resume, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to enable and disable bedtime mode on your Google Pixel 8. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.